In this video, we're going to learn how to solve this ACT math question easily and fast using the TI-84 plus scientific calculator. Alright, so the question says if 9m minus 3 equals minus 318, then 14m equals what? Now guys, this question is very simple. This is simple algebra in action. So to solve this question with the TI-84 plus scientific calculator, firstly, you need to reset the calculator to put it in default mode. So to reset, press the come button, then press this plus button, press option 7, then press 1, press 2, and it will do that for you. So we are good to go. Now guys, in this question we're going to replace m with x in the calculator. So let's make use of equation solver to do this. So you press the smart button, you scroll up, this is solver, press enter. So we have 9m minus 3. We're going to replace m with x, so it's going to be 9x, okay, minus 3 equals minus 318. So come down to e2. Now guys, this minus 318 is starting with negative sign, so press this negative sign for it. This is the correct one. Don't go and use this one, you're going to have syntax error. So this is the right one to use whenever you want to start with a negative sign. So we have minus 318. So that's it, we are good to go. Press graph for OK. Assign x to be 0. So press 0. We are good to go. Now press alpha and enter button to solve it. So our x is what? Minus 3, 5. That's minus 35. So right now to get 14m, basically all you have to do, clear this will be just let's grab from this equation. So if I press second mode and it will go out. So we got minus 35, right? So it's going to be 14 times minus 35, where m is minus 35, right, times this is my one. We're going to make use of the negative sign because we are starting with negative sign at this point, minus 35. So that's it, we're good to go. Press enter now to get the output. So we have it to be what? Minus 490. So the correct option is option E. This is basically how you can do this, guys, using the TI-84 plus in the calculator. Hope there's something interesting from this video. Let's call it a video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel for more of these videos. Also like, share, comment on this video. Let me have a few for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below, and I will be sure to give you a response. Alright, so our answer is what? Option E. That's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to reset the calculator once you're done. Just press second, this plus button, press 7, press 1, and press 2. Alright, so it will do it for you. Now click on the screen above, and I see you in my next video.